Samia Suluhu is a Tanzanian CCM politician and the designated President of Tanzania. Due to be sworn into office following the death of President John Magufuli on 17 March 2021. She became Tanzania's first female vice president following the 2015 general election. After being elected on the CCM ticket along with President John Magufuli. Suluhu and Magufuli were re-elected to a second term in 2020. Before her tenure as vice president, she served as the Member of Parliament for Makunduchi constituency from 2010 to 2015, and was also the Minister of State in the Vice President's Office for Union Affairs from 2010 to 2015. Prior to this, she served as a minister in the semi-autonomous region of Zanzibar in the administration of President Amani Karume. In 2014, she was elected as the vice chairperson of the Constituent Assembly tasked with drafting the country's new constitution. Suluhu was born in the Sultanate of Zanzibar. After completing her secondary education in 1977, she was employed by the Ministry of Planning and Development as a clerk. She pursued a number of short courses on a part-time basis. In 1986, she graduated from the Institute of Development Management with an advanced diploma in public administration. Upon graduation, she was employed on a project funded by the World Food Programme. Between 1992 and 1994, she attended the University of Manchester and graduated with a postgraduate diploma in economics. In 2015, she obtained her MSc in Community Economic Development via a joint program between the Open University of Tanzania and the Southern New Hampshire University. In 2000, she decided to join politics. She was elected as a special seat member to the Zanzibar House of Representatives and was appointed a minister by President Amani Karume. She was the only high-ranking woman minister in the cabinet and was looked down on by her male colleagues because of her gender. She was re-elected in 2005 and was reappointed as a minister in another portfolio. In 2010, she sought election to the National Assembly, standing in the parliamentary constituency of Makunduchi and winning by more than 80%. President Jakaya Kikwete appointed her as the Minister of State for Union Affairs. In 2014, she was elected as the Vice Chairperson of the Constituent Assembly tasked with drafting the country's new constitution. In July 2015, CCM's presidential nominee John Magufuli chose her as his running mate for the 2015 election, making her the first female running mate in the party's history. She subsequently became the first female vice president in the history of the country upon Magufuli's victory in the election. After Magufuli's death on 17 March 2021, Suluhu became the sixth president of Tanzania, the first Zanzibari president and the country's first female president. In 1978, she married Hafi Amir, at present a retired agricultural officer. They have 4 children. Her daughter Wanu Hafi Amir, the second child, is a special seat member of the Zanzibar House of Representatives.